bass assassin. Right now it's about 6 a.m. Heading down to the creek, Aquia. I'm gonna do some snakehead fishing. Hopefully I land one this morning. We're throwing some frog, also swim bait. Those are two baits I usually have success on. Hopefully the conditions are not too bad. We had a lot of rain that came in yesterday. But yeah, hopefully I land one, guys, and stay tuned. Catfish. Oh, yeah. Snaky. Oh yeah, no, medium. I changed 50 pounds. no broken no more. Oh, snakehead this morning. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Maybe 6 pounds.
No, 4 pounds.
Oh, JK. Got him. Been trying a couple days for the sucker. All right, guys. He's long and lanky. Shook myself. Alright guys, I'll be back. Stay tuned. Got probably about a 5 or 6 pound snakehead here. Took me a while. Jackie, look. Yesterday? Oh my god, this is the one I went for yesterday. This one broke off. There's my leader, guys. That's crazy. I actually caught the fish that broke off yesterday. This is my leader, guys. Check this out. Oh my god. He stayed there, same area, for almost 2 days, and I got him to bite. And I got the fish that I lost. That's my leader. I'll show you what I was using. This is what I caught him on today. Swim bait hook with a Shadowlicious. And he has my leader in his mouth. Awesome. I'm gonna attempt to retrieve my lure. We'll show you guys, because this is the fish I lost yesterday. Came back this morning. Didn't know I could attract the same fish to bite. But then again, here's what I caught him on. Shadowlicious and swim bait hook. Here's my leader, and he should have my VMC swim bait hook in his mouth. I'm 100% positive this is the fish I lost.
Yeah. Yeah, me this one, bigger one. Me the bigger one. No, me bigger one. Now
Okay.
come. Me bigger one.
All the way back there. No, can you get it? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is, guys.
Yeah. Me bigger one. You bigger one.
Yeah, go.
Come here.
No, Bobby, go get.
Huh?
I put right here. Go get it.
Me bigger one coming this one. Okay lah. This one be careful. My friend, this be careful. No, this one. No, this one, me bigger one.
I got it, Jack. I got to hold for me.
No, bigger one. Me bigger one. Okay lah.
Yeah.
Come here now.
Oh,
Okay.
there it is, guys.
Very lucky, huh?
I retrieved my swim bait. Look at this.
Okay.
That was all the way in his throat.
Yeah, nah.
Thank you.
Okay lah, nah. Good one.
Broke off yesterday and I retrieved it. Look at this. It's been sitting in his damn back of his throat for like almost 48 hours. I got to retrieve my hook and the swim bait and the leader from this fish that I lost yesterday. Wow.
Very lucky.